Okay guys, we're gonna ukulele. Wait, we're not ukulele. We're just, you know what's happening? We're gonna learn some new chords, okay? This is C. The first one is C, the basic word. The basic chords pala. Like this. 1, 2, 3. On the third one. Third stairs. Or fret. Third fret. Okay? Yeah. If you cannot use the third finger, you do second or first finger. First, second, third. Because I have learned third finger. Okay? Okay. The second one is G. It's a little hard. But it's okay. Look. Wait. Here in the second string, second string, and the fourth string, and the third fret, and the third string. Look. This one should be here, or this thumb just be here. You just you press it hard. Not like this, oh. Not like this, like this. Okay? And D. In the second fret, like this, oh. In the first string, second string, and the third string. And A. Okay, A. Like this. On the second string, and the first fret, and the second fret on the first fret. Okay? Like this. Okay. And the F. A minor. This is easy. In the second fret on the first string. Okay? And F. You put the first finger onto the third string on the first fret. Okay? Wait, I'm gonna check some. And E minor. Like this. Okay? And this is B flat. No, B minor.